So this is an updated version of my Pokemon trading card game collection spreadsheet. Basically put all unique or original cards in here, holographics. Then you got a tab over here where you place all your duplicates. You also have another tab here that lets you look up any card that you have. It just automatically pulls from your spreadsheet. It will take a tiny sec here and update the photo, tell you approximate value and where it comes from. You could also browse it by set, so I could expand, for example, the McDonald's collection, shows you which ones you have, highlights which ones are rare. Yeah, I'll just do it on the Pokemon Go set as well. Now I guess in the case of here I might have done some data entry error, but you just gotta fix that in your originals tab at the bottom. Then I have some variables and macros you could use. For example, there's a little binder design tab that I'll be showing you next, and you can put how many pages per row, how many columns and rows. So then we'll click the binder view and see it's got my 3x3. You could actually make it a 4 by whatever by filling it in the variables and macro sheet. And just gives you an example of how your cards are currently laid out in case you want to try planning a new way to sort your cards. There's also a summary tab which gives you a bunch of information, how many types of what rarity of card that you have per each set. There is lots of error checking in this spreadsheet, and that's pretty much it. I can show you some of the code here. Basically, it actually pulls the price of cards as well. I got a pretty intense formula that will basically, you could select a region. So I'll just select these 4 cards here. I'll hit the little Pokeball up at the top here. It's going to ask, do you want to update the price of all 4 cards you have selected? We'll say yes. And then this price here, you'll see it's now got updated price values from pricecharting.com. So essentially, when you add a new Pokemon, you just fill out the card number, name, how many, the rarity, expansion. You copy and paste down the type and subtype, and you type in what type of holo it is. The rest of the fields pretty much populate themselves, except for the price value. That one you gotta manually update, just so it's not so taxing on the price charting servers. That is pretty much it. It's a pretty intense sheet, but it's very, very useful.